Here is a video that will be helpful for anyone who is going to build a long stairway, something that might have 5-foot or even 8-foot long steps to go up a low sloping hill. And that will be to simply build the stairway in sections like you would a floor. So there's no need to cut any stair stringers here. And this video is meant to just provide you with the basics. If you want to see more, for example, how to lay out the footings or how to finish off the sides or how to build a guardrail, handrail, anything, let me know in the comment area. And if I get enough comments, then I will definitely make another video. If not, I won't worry about it. So let us know if you need that information. So again, we're just simply building floors, and we're setting the supporting beams on top of other beams or concrete footings to transfer the loads down to the soil. So again, concrete footings with some metal hardware so that we can secure it firmly to the footing. And trust me, I've seen plenty of these built where they're basically sitting on top of the soil, some concrete blocks, or even a small footing, and that might not cut it. So here you can see where we have some 2x6 joists, 4x8 beams, and we have some 2x6 hangers here, regular hangers, and then we have some inverted or concealed hangers. And you can always move this joist over if you want to use these hangers, and then let the decking cantilever 1.5 or 2 inches, and that shouldn't be a problem, but that would depend upon the design. And of course we have a 16-inch on center layout. Our stairs are 48 inches wide, and each step is about 8 foot in length. And you might be able to get away without using a beam here if you were going to have the joist sit on top of maybe a 2-inch framing base plate, something to support the joist. And then of course you could use a 2x8 here, and you could simply nail these beams together. You could nail the framing components from the upper floor into the lower floor, or you could even use some type of hardware, screws, something like that. So not too difficult here, or at least I would hope it's not too difficult to take a look at something like this and kind of figure out how you could put it together in the same way that you would frame a deck. And a project like this could also be considered 3 separate decks that would simply be changing elevation. And of course you are going to need some form boards and some holes for your footings. After you've dug your holes and set your forms, you can place your building hardware and fill these up with concrete. Now keep in mind that if you live in an area with frost lines or frost levels, then these footings might need to extend past those frost lines. So if you live in cold weather, do a little more research about frost lines in the ground, because that's the last thing you want to do is build something like this in the spring, only to find out that the next spring sections of your deck stairs have been raised to create a stairway that no longer looks as nice as it did when you originally built it. So hopefully that makes sense. If it does not, feel free to leave any questions you have in the comment area, and I will answer them as soon as possible.